the email I sent out yesterday. Same old me, Patrick. Same old me. You probably saw my email I sent out yesterday. Wanted to do that because there's just a lot going on in the world. A lot. All which will affect our markets. All which will affect volatility. And you know what? We are poised to take advantage of it. All right, so we will be on our toes and ready to pounce on any opportunity that comes our way. Our SPY put spread looking pretty good right off the start here today. I have updated our watch list here with some hot stocks, potential earnings plays. And we're going to get going here in about 10 seconds. I think the market's going to open.